So today we are going to learn about water bill. Last time we have done about the electricity bill. So most of you have done some of the questions. Okay, so most of you have done, and some people still they have not submitted the works. And according to our meeting and all, so we have decided that those who submit their work, okay, so there will be some project or something else. Okay, so in the similar way there will be the home assignment. Okay, so home assignment is already submit in our additional marks we are going to give it. Okay, so that's why. So please uh, kindly submit your works and be present. Your attendance is going to detect your marks in the future. Okay, so let me start today's work. So today we are going to learn about the water bill, and before that strike, ACC strike, so around 25 cross used to come. Now just 8 students are there. So why the students are very few? I can't understand. If you have link with any students with their friends, please invite them. Okay, so let them not miss the class. अब ये अनलाइन तरिकाले नै हुन्छ तिमीहरुको पढाइ अनि त्यहीबाट इभ्यालुएट गरेर तिमीहरु यु विल गो टु क्लास 10. सो यु आर नट द जुनियर क्लास है, हामी त्यतिकै मार्क्स दिन सक्दैन तिमीहरुलाई, पढेर गएकै राम्रो है ल. Okay, so these are the questions, page number 66 and 67 we are going to learn. So please turn your book. Galaxy J7, J5, please write down your name, okay, because we need to take the attendance. Galaxy J5. Okay. So in Sambu's household consumes 45 units of water. Okay, water 1 month. How many liters of water do they consume? So before that one, let us go for the formula. Okay, so formula kasto cha ta water bill ko formula. So in case of water bill, so exercise 4.2, page number 66, I have already mentioned you all. So formula will be unit consumed. Okay, so like you have learned in electricity bill, so water bill ma pani त्यही नै हो. अहिले कति बिल आको छ, previous month मा कति बिल आको थियो. Okay, so what was the reading in the previous month? What was the reading in the current month? Current भनेको present month. अहिलेको month मा चाहिँ कति reading आको छ त. Okay, if you see a meter, water को meter तिमीले हेर्यो भने गोलो खालको जुन meter छ तिमीले हेर्यो भने त्यहाँ number दिएको छ. Okay, there are some numbers over there. अनि त्यो previous तिमीहरुको card दिएको छ. If you have the bill, previous month bill, then तिमीले अहिले पनि थाहा पाउन सक्छौ कति उठेको रहेछ अहिले बिल तिमीहरुको. Okay, so कति बिल उठेको छ अहिले तिमीले पत्ता लगाउन सक्छौ. Okay, so त्यही भएर, so what will be the formula? So current unit consumed, that means कति unit उठेको छ त. Okay, पानीमा पनि कति unit हुन्छ, बिजुलीमा पनि कति unit हुन्छ. So in water bill, so how many unit has been consumed, so that we can find out by the formula current month reading minus previous month reading. Okay, instead of current we can add on present also. अहिले current भनेको अहिलेको. Okay, अहिलेको month, that means if now it is Shravan Bhadra. Okay, so Bhadra is the current month. Okay, what is the previous month? Which one is the previous month? Shravan is the previous month. If we are in Asar, then Asar is the current month and Jest is the previous month. Okay, so this logic I think can do it. So next one is number 2. The thing you need to know is that, so 1 unit भनेपछि so तिमीहरुको 2 unit bill उठेको छ अरे. What do you mean 2 units? 2 units means how many units is consumed. Okay, so कसरी याद गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि, normally at your home, what is the volume of your tank? Tank कति लिटर को छ तिमीहरुको? Any idea? So you have seen your tank. Okay, water tank, नेपालीमा ट्याङ्की भन्छौ तिमीहरु. Okay, so in water tank, so it is usually mentioned 1000 liter. In some homes there are 500 liters, in some home there may be 1500 liter. Okay, so some homes तिमीहरुको extra भएर 1200 liter पनि आएको छ. तर normally, so in every home there is 1000 liter water tank. Okay, 1000 liter. So के बुझ्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि 1 युनिट चढ्नु भनेको 1000 लिटर भरिनु. Okay, तिमीहरुको एक tank full भयो भने that is called 1 unit. So when you see a unit, okay, water bill unit, so if you see 20 units, तिमीहरुको 20 युनिट बिल उठेको छ भनेर तिमीहरुको आको छ भने के याद गर्ने भन्दाखेरि तिमीहरुले घरमा 20 युनिट्स that means 20 into 1000 20,000 liters of water you are consuming in a month. Okay, एक महिनामा 20,000 unit bill उठाउँदा रहेछौ. Okay, 20,000 कसरी युज गरेर त? Maybe you are washing it, you may be bathing, you may be putting it, watering the flowers. Okay, so you may be washing your homes or something like that. Okay, so in that way you are consuming the water. In some other way we are consuming the water. 20,000. Okay, if it is just 2 liters 2 units, that means 2 into 1000 2,000 liters we are using it. Okay, कोही कोही बेला त ओभरफ्लो भएर नि गइरहेको होला, कति युनिट त ओभरफ्लो भएर गएको हुन्छ होला. That's why we need to be conscious. Okay, so कति पानी उठेको छ भनेर. So next thing, so let us go for the rebate and all. Okay, so last time in electricity bill also we have learned some of the terms like rebate. Rebate भने के हो? Rebate means discount. Okay, so rebate. So when do you go for paying the bill? Okay, so that will also determine. So in case of electricity bill, so if तिमीलाई याद छ भने electricity bill, those who have missed the class, you can see in the YouTube. Right? I always keep my recorded video in the YouTube so that you can see that video. Missed out video. Okay, I always keep it. So please, you can see electricity chapter if you have missed that chapter. So within okay, so I was in electricity bill. So if you used to pay within 7 days, there was 3% discount. That means rebate. 3% timale used to get discount. 7 दिन भित्र तिर्यो भने. So 7 days to 21 days सम्म तिरेको थियो भने timale used to pay the bill amount. Okay, so hope you are just getting it. Okay, so तिमीलाई याद आउँदै होला अलिअलि. Okay, so if you pay after 22nd day देखि 30th day सम्म तिर्यो भने, so you used to pay it. So you used to get a fine. You have to pay the fine of 5% or 10%. Okay, so in that way you need to pay the bill. Okay, so तिमीहरु सार्दै पनि गर यो in the fair copy. So in this way we should do it. But in case of water bill, what are the conditions required? Look at here. Rebate fine कति कतिमा तिर्नु पर्छ त? So within first or second month, okay, तिमीहरुले suppose this is Bhadra, if the bill will come in Bhadra, okay, तिमीहरुले यो month तिर्यो अरे, okay, यो month तिर्यो भने पनि you are going to get what? You are going to get 3% rebate. Okay, यो महिनाको 30 दिन भित्र तिर्दाखेरि you will get 3% rebate. So not only this month, you will get the rebate in the second month also. That means not only this month, not only in Bhadra, but after Bhadra what comes? Ashos, isn't it? Sawan, Bhadra, Ashos. Okay, so Ashos, in Ashos also. So if you pay the bill within these 60 days, then you are going to get the rebate of 3%. 3% discount पाउँदो रहेछौ तिमीहरुले. Okay, so आज बिल आयो, आजै कुदिराख्नु पर्दैन. So दुई महिना भित्र तिमीहरुले तिर्यो भने 3% discount पाउँछ तिमीहरुले. Okay, you will get the discount of 3%. Okay, so after second month, that means तिमीहरुले असोज महिना, okay, म अर्को महिना तिर्छु, मसँग अहिले पैसा छैन, I will go and pay the bill in the next month भन्छ भने the third month मा तिर्यो भने के हुन्छ त? If you pay the bill in the third month, then you are going to get nothing. That means you are going to pay the bill amount only. कति आएको छ bill amount? 500 rupees. You need to pay 500 rupees. Okay, so if you pay within first or second month, that means you are going to get that 3% discount. 500 ko 3% discount भनेको around something will be there. Okay, so 3 5 15, that means 150 150 or something, 150 exactly. So कति रुपैयाँ तिमीले पाउँछ? 15 rupees you will get discount. Okay, so if it is 1500 rupees, then you are going to get 45 discount. In that way you are going to get it. Okay, so if you pay the bill within the fourth month, हैन, म त third month मा हैन, okay, म fourth month मा गएर तिर्छु भन्छ भने you are going to get fine now. You need to pay the fine, 10% fine. Okay, so fifth month मा गएर हैन, म यो महिना पनि हैन, म fifth month मा गएर तिर्छु अरे. Okay, आज बिल आको fifth month पछि. Okay, so Bhadra also, that means you are going to get 3% discount. Okay, after Ashos, Kartik will come. That means Kartik ma तिर्यो भने के हुँदो रहेछ त? You need to pay the bill amount. Okay, after Kartik what will come? Mangshir. Okay, so in Mangshir, if you pay it, then you will get 10% fine. That is fourth month, 10% fine. After 10 percentage, okay, so after that 4th month, in the 5th month, we are going to get 20 percentage fine amount border racer. And after 5th month, that means 5th month that means after 5th month, 6th month in the so in the 6th month, in the starting of the 6th month, तिमीहरुको अब बिल तिर्ने मान्छे आउँदैन अब के गर्छिन्छ त सो सिधै मिटर उखालेर लगिदिन्छ okay so मिटर पनि उखालेर लगिदिन्छ as well as you need to pay all the fines also 50% fine पनि लिन्छ तिमीहरुको okay so 50% fine लिन्छ के लिन्छ okay and you need to 50% fine भनेको so if तिमीहरुको around 10,000 rupees आछ नि 10,000 को 50% कति हो 5,000 extra you need to pay okay so why to pay extra isn't it so why to pay extra so let us pay the bill within 2 months so that you'll get the rebate okay so यो सुविधा दिएको छ तिमीहरुलाई okay so next formula will be fine amount otherwise the discount amount so there is some fine or discount means rebate okay rebate amount भनेर पनि आउँछ है rebate means discount so fine amount how to find it okay so fine percentage okay so fine percentage of bill amount will be the formula of fine amount discount amount means discount percentage of bill amount okay bill कति को छ 500 that means 10% otherwise 3% of 3% means 3 divided by 100 of means into bill amount means 500 in that way you need to calculate it discount percentage okay so if discount is 3% then 3 divided by 100 of means into 500 fine 50% and 50 divided by 100 into 500 then you'll get the fine amount okay now कति पानी छ त तिम्रो ट्याङ्कीमा okay so how much water is there in liter if you are asked in liters okay so कति तिम्रो ट्याङ्क पानी कति युज गरेछ त कति लिटर पानी युज गर्यो okay भन्छ भने that is called volume okay how much water do you drink भने that is the volume of water okay so water कति तिमीले खान्छ त दिनमा हुन्छ भने so 5 liters 6 liters somebody they just drink the water when you are going to take the food okay so while taking the food to gulp up the food okay so खानेकुरा पचाउनुको लागि त निल्नुको लागि you drink the water okay but actually खाने खाइरहेको बेलामा पानी खानु चाहिँ हुँदैन okay but what we do just opposite पानी भात खाँदा चाहिँ तिमीले पानी खान्छ दिनभरि पानी खाँदैन भात खाँदाखेरि पानी खान्छ जुन चाहिँ गर्नु हुँदैन if अड्क्यो भने just a little bit अलिकति पानी मात्र खाने गुटुक्क मात्र निल्ने okay we should not drink it because it will dilute your acid inside your stomach okay stomach को acid जुन छ त्यसलाई पगाल्ने काम गर्छ अलिकति dilute गर्ने काम गर्छ अनि तिम्रो पच्दैन राम्ररी okay हाइट नबढ्ने so कोही धेरै मोटो कोही धेरै पातलो जस्तो खालको हुन्छ okay so there will be the indigestion so that's why we should not drink a lot of water when you drink the food and all okay so let us go to the topic now okay so question number 1 please see your book okay page number 66 let's get ready exercise 4.2 so in Sanvi's household consumes 45 units okay so 45 unit pani चढ्दो रहेछ टन्नेको चढ्दो रहेछ 45 युनिट भनेको 45 पटा ट्याङ्क भरिन्दो रहेछ okay full tank भरिन्दो रहेछ now how many liters of water do they consume कति लिटर पानी कन्ज्युम गर्यो त उसले okay so कति लिटर पानी चलाउँदो रहेछ so one tank 1 unit means how much liter please speak okay please turn on your mic and please speak 1000 okay so let us do it okay so consume unit number 1 given okay so write on the page number date and all so do it in the fair copy whenever the school will be resumed your copy will be checked so this chapter may not be probably taught in the class again okay so please do not miss the class and keep on writing in the fair copy now. Okay so consume unit is 45 units volume of water okay कति लिटर भन्छ नि that is called volume that means volume of water equals to question mark कति लिटर चलाउँछ तिमीले पानी so here volume of water equals to so what is the formula so consume unit कति युनिट चलायो त 45 युनिट 45 into 1000 त थाहा छ okay what will be the formula consume unit into 1000 liter. LT means liters. Okay, so consume unit into 1000 liter is the formula of volume of water. Okay, so consume unit. So consume unit is 45 into 1000. Okay, 45 into 1000, it is going to be 45,000 liters that we are going to use it in that month. Okay, so that that girl so use 45,000 liters in a month. 45,000 liters. Okay, so in this way you need to do it. Okay, so hope you have turned your book. Okay, let me not flip the previous page. Let me turn my book. You turn your book. Page number 66. Okay, so look at question number 3 now. If you have completed. Those who don't have book, please you can see me. So in number 3, I'm talking about number 3. So in a water meter reading, previous reading was 3,568. 3,568, and the present reading, that means current month ko reading say, okay, so previous month ko reading ma 3,568 utheko raisa, and ahileko month, present month ma it is 3,637 units. Okay, so that means 3,637 utheko raisa. That means find the consume unit. Kati bill uthyo ta, kati unit chadyo ta timarko. Okay, so that you need to find out. So that we have done in the previous exercise also. Previous month reading, that means पहिलाको month को reading. Okay, so it is always going to be lesser. Okay, so current month को reading चढ्दै 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 गएकोले अलिकति ठुलै हुन्छ. current month अलिकति ठुलो हुन्छ, अर्को month अझै धेरै हुन्छ, अर्को month अझै धेरै हुन्छ. Okay, because after 37, 38, 39, 40 it starts adding. That's why always the current month is going to be bigger. Okay, so दुईटामा कुन चाहिँ ठुलो कुन चाहिँ current or previous. So if you don't know how to separate it, always keep in mind current means it is bigger one, previous means it is smaller one. Okay, so previous month reading minus current month reading. So kati unit uthyo ta kasari थाहा पाउने ta? Okay, so we need to do subtraction. Thulo minus सानो, कुन ठुलो छ त? Current month is bigger. Okay, so previous month is smaller. So के गर्ने त? So what is the formula? Consume unit equals to current month reading minus previous month reading. Okay, so this is going to be a formula. Okay, consume unit. Kati uthyo ta यसपालि bill? Okay, so in the previous month, if there was 2, now it is 10. That means how much unit? It is 8, isn't it? 10 minus 2, it is 8. So in the similar way, so अहिलेको reading minus previous month मा कति हुँदैछ त्यसको unit? Okay, so त्यो subtraction गर्ने, you are going to get the unit. It is not the unit, actually. यो चाहिँ तिम्रो मिटर मा भएको नम्बर हो. Okay, यसपालि 70 युनिट उठ्यो, अर्को पालि 80 युनिट उठ्यो. That means 10 unit भन्ने होइन. This is the digit that is displayed in the meter. Meter मा देखिएको नम्बर हो यो. That's why unit is not written over here. I have written the unit, so it is this one. It is not the unit. So current month reading minus previous month reading. So subtract these two numbers. You are going to get 69 units. And you saw subtraction meter ko reading subtraction. If you see the meter reading, you can see the digits, numbers. Okay, so that is all about number 3. So number 4 is also similar. Number 5, let us go to number 5. So number 5, okay. In question number 5, it is written that in a water, so in a water meter reading, it is found that previous month reading is 3,568. Previous month reading was 3,568. Again, this was the previous month reading. Or okay, consume unit. So in the previous number, consume unit patta laka thyo. But in this number, what is given? Consume unit is given now. 175 is given.
है कन्ज्युम युनिट कति दिएको छ अरे 175 दिएको छ प्लिज सी अ बुक पेज नम्बर 66 पेज नम्बर 66 okay 175 units is given now what do you need to find out find the present reading present भनेको current month reading okay so current month reading कति हो त अरे अब यसको फर्मुला के हो सर you have not written in that formula copy भन्छ भने so formula धेरैवटा नपढौं so learn the same formula learn only one formula okay and you can take it here you can just simplify and you can get the answer okay so use the same formula single formula for all the calculation okay so yeah धेरै गरिराख्नु पर्दैन so one single formula can solve all the answers okay so consume unit what is the formula of consume unit consume unit means consume unit equals to current month reading minus previous month reading okay so consume unit is almost 175 equals to current month reading what is the current month reading nothing is given so right and current month reading itself okay minus previous month reading previous month पहिलाको month कति छ अरे 3568 3568 so when minus sign goes this side it becomes plus okay so 175 plus 3568 equals to current month reading so after that use a calculator and get the answer any problem please respond any problem is there any problem
No, sir.
then let me go to the next number did you get 3743 as the answer or not
Yes, sir.
okay please reply me eh? Then after 5 number let us go to 7 number but 7 number I have not done okay so please let me give you the hints of number 7 and you can do yourself so look at here the meter reading for the consumption of water of household was 1460 units on first Mangsir okay so instead of current month previous month eta date दिएको छ month दिएको छ first Mangsir is given okay अब यो first Mangsir is the previous month or current month okay so that is little bit confused over here so अर्को month पनि त दिएको होला नि त Mangsir भनेपछि so if the consume unit in Kartik okay Kartik is also given so you need to find out which month comes first कुन चाहिँ previous हो कुन चाहिँ current month हो Mangsir comes first or Kartik comes first
Kartik.
Kartik that means Kartik is current or previous
Previous.
okay so Kartik like के लेख्ने भन्दाखेरि previous month reading okay and inside the bracket write down Kartik okay so given previous month reading inside the bracket write down Kartik equals to how much is given in Kartik okay so this is the consume unit eh? This is not the current month reading this is the consume unit okay so do like this so look at the screen once so actually I have not solved this answer okay so let me do it as 7 number so previous month reading is given so it is Kartik so let us write down like this Kartik so in Kartik how much is given 1460 okay so this is the meter reading meter ma yo digit दिएको छ हरे on the first Mangsir oh my god this is Mangsir is the current month reading this is current month reading okay let me erase this all Kartik, Mungsir. That means Mungsir comes first. Mungsir. So what is the unit in Mungsir? So it is 1460. Okay, 1460. And after that, so if the consume unit, okay, instead of current month reading, sorry, in place of previous month reading, what is given? Consume unit is given. So consume unit कति दिएको छ त? Consume unit भनेर दिएको छ, so it is 280 units. Consume unit 280 units is given. And Kartik ko कहिले हो त? So Kartik को कति छ र त? So what digit were shown in Kartik first? That means previous month reading चाहिँ कति हो अरे? Previous month reading, that means Kartik को चाहिँ meter reading कति थियो अरे? Meter मा कति अंक लेखिएको थियो अरे? So that is the question. Okay, so Kartik, in case of Kartik, what was the meter reading? So there is a meter. Okay, there are some digits. Oh, your digits चाहिँ कति छ अरे? कति लेखेको थियो अरे त्यतिखेर in month of Kartik? Use the same formula. Consume unit equals to current month reading minus previous month reading. So current month reading is how much? So 1460. So you need to write down 1460 over here. Okay, so current month reading now 1460 लेख्नु पर्यो. Okay, and consume unit is how much? 280. 280. You need to write down 280 over here. And previous month reading चाहिँ पत्ता लगाऊ अरे. So this you need to find out. So take this 280 this side, subtract it, you will get the answer. Okay. Current month reading, Mangshir. Consume unit 280 units. Previous month reading, that means Kartik ko reading patta lagao. So that is your question. Can I do it? Okay, so let me go to the next question. Please do complete. And let me go to the next question after this. Number 66 again, question number 8. Okay, so here, if the payment is done in the 5th month is given. Okay, so if you pay within first or second month, then you are going to first or second month you are going to get third 3% rebate, that means discount. Third month you are going to get no discount, no fine, that means bill amount net bill that much you need to pay. If you pay within the 4th month, that means 4th month you are going to get 10% fine extra you need to pay. So within 5th month, if you pay it, you are going to get 20% fine. Okay, so after 5th month, you are going to get 50% fine. That means, so here what you can see is that, so what is given in the question? So if the payment is made in 5th month ma tiro ane kati percent fine are? 20% is fine. Okay, but it is already given in the question also. 20% is fine for sir. Okay, look at page number 66, all of you. 66. But normally in the question in your examination, 20% you need to know yourself. 5th month ma kati percentage discount ho, otherwise fine ho. Okay, so that you need to find out, you need to know yourself. Okay, yeah, question wala very good. That's what they have given you. Okay, but normally it will not be given in the examination. Okay, be careful for that one. Okay, so what charge of the water charge of a house is 1600, 1600 is given. Okay, so this is the bill amount. So bill amount kati deko sare? So 1600 is the bill amount. 1600 ko bill utheko raisa. and यो मान्छे चाहिँ के भएको रहेछ भन्दा अल्छे भएको रहेछ. So if this person, so he has paid the bill. Okay, so if he has paid the bill in the 5th month, okay, 5th month मा गएर पैसा तिर्छ भने के पाउँछ त उसले? He is not going to get the discount. He is going to get the fine. कति % fine? 20% fine पाउँदो रहेछ. Okay, so Tangsang, Ronis and all, so please be on time, 10:30. Okay, should be on time. Okay, so fine percentage equals 20%, fine amount equals to question mark. So here, so fine amount equals to fine percentage of bill amount. This is going to be a formula. Okay, so fine amount, fine percentage of bill amount, discount amount. Okay, discount because fine amount discount amount because discount percentage of bill amount. Okay, this is going to be a formula. So if you are late, please I'll send you the recorded video. You can see it later. Okay. So fine amount equals to fine percentage of bill amount. So fine percentage is almost 40% fine percentage, 20%. That means 20% means 20 divided by 100. Percentage means divided by 100. I think you know it. Okay. Off means into. What is the bill amount? 1600. So rather than 1600. Okay. So cancel it. You need to pay how much extra? 320 rupees extra you need to pay. Okay. You to Gorkhama the film and ticket पाउँदो रहेछ 20 रुपैयाँ extra पाउँदो रहेछ. So that's why. So this is going to be a fine amount if you pay it late. Okay, ढिलो तिर्नु भएन. You need to pay it on time. Got it? So this is all about question number 8. Question number 9 also similar. Okay, so if you pay it in the 6th month, what will happen? So if you pay in the 10th, that means if you pay before 2 months, what is going to be happen? Okay, so that is given. So in question number 9, look at question number 9, all of you. I have not done this one, but look at the question. The mistake is a question. If the payment is made in the 6th month, 6th month, it is not 20% is fine. It is almost percentage fine. In the 6th month, that means after 5th month, kati hota? So after 5 months, it is going to be 50% is fine. Okay, so please make it. There is 20% is fine in a book. Question number 9. So, but here it is given 20% is fine. Please make it. Okay, so make it 50% is fine. Should be paid. So find the fine amount. Okay, so number 9 and 10, please do it yourself. Okay. So same formula you need to use it. So fine amount equals to fine percentage of bill amount. If there is discount amount equals to discount percentage of bill amount. Just you need to write down discount in place of fine. Okay, that will be a formula. Okay, so let us go to question number 1. Solve 1. We have just 5 minutes left now. So number 1, solve number 1. Okay, so look at this question. Month is given Baishak, Jest, Asar, Shravan, Bhadra, and Asos. So Baishak, Jest, Asar, Shravan, Bhadra, and Asos is given. Okay, so what is given in the question number A? So how many liters are consumed in Jest? How many liters? I told you just before also. Liter bhन्छ भने यो volume हो. Okay, it is the volume. That means what you have to find out? Find the volume of water. Okay, कति पानी चलाउँछ that you need to find out. So volume of water in Jest, because in question number B, volume of water in Asar, volume of water in Shravan, Bhadra, like so this type of terms are given. So yeah, date पनि mention गर्ने Jest भनेर लेख्नु. Okay, so if it is asked for Asar, consume in Asar. Okay, so volume of water in Asar भनेर लेख्नु. Okay, equals to question mark. So consume unit के हो त्यो पनि पत्ता लगाउनु पर्यो किनभने volume कसरी निकाल्ने त? What is the formula of volume? Volume of water को formula के हो? So volume of water means consume unit into 1000 liters. Consume unit चाहिँ कति हो त? कति युनिट चाहिँ उठेको छ त बिल? Okay, that you need to find out first. That's why consume unit पनि निकाल्नु पर्यो. कति युनिट उठेको छ त्यो निकाल्नु पर्यो. Okay. So what shall we do then? So first of all, let us find out the consume unit in Jest. Okay. So just महिनाको लागि, this is the present month, this is the current month. Which one is the previous? Asar is the previous or Baisakh is the previous? For Jesta. Just महिनाको लागि कुन हो previous month? Hello?
Baisa.
Okay, so Baisakh is the previous month. Okay, so this is the current month, this is the previous month. Just 3 minutes left. You know? So that's why, so what when you do? So conjugate unit Jesta equals to current month reading minus previous month reading. So current month भनेको त ज्येष्ठ नै भइहाल्यो, ज्येष्ठको ज्येष्ठ नै लेख्ने, असार छ नि असार लेख्ने, श्रावण छ नि श्रावण लेख्ने, भाद्र छ नि भाद्र लेख्ने. Okay, so this is the current month. And previous month भनेको just अगाडिको हेर्ने, just अगाडि के आउँछ. Okay, so what comes before just Baisakh? That means in the previous month, let us write down Baisakh. If you are doing a Shravan, that means current month reading means Shravan. Okay, and the previous month means Asar. Previous month, let's say Asar. Okay, so current month reading is how much in just 1275. 1275 minus previous month reading is how much? Previous month reading is 1200. So 1200 is the previous month reading. So 1200 is 1275 minus 1200. So you are going to get 75 units. Okay, 75 units will be the bill consume unit. Okay, कति unit उठेको रहेछ? 75 units उठेको रहेछ. Okay, now how can you find out the volume? 75 unit भनेपछि 75 पल्ट 1000 liter को tank भरियो. So how much liter you have used then? That means 75 into 1000. It is you are going to, so you have used how much? 75,000 liters of water. Okay, so कसरी निकाल्ने त भन्दाखेरि volume of water in just in the month of just equals to consume unit. कति unit चढाएको छ? Consume unit into 1000 liters LTS. Okay, so liters LTS liters. Others you can just write on LT. Others LITERS. Others LITRE. Okay, you can write on anything. So one is the American liter, or say British ko word. Okay, so liter, center. Okay, so consume unit is how much? So it is 75 into 1000. So you are going to get 75,000 as the answer. Okay, so just less than 1 minute is left. So do up number 1 as your homework. Okay, solve number 1. Please submit your work because your marks, your submission marks is really important. Okay, so let me take your attendance quickly. If there's any problem, you can ask. Okay, so your attendance.